Hey, this is Ryan with Instructional Design. You may have noticed that we turned on a new theme for Brightspace. A couple of changes. One of the most notable is to the NavBar in your course. So some of the tools are no longer in the NavBar, and we decided to do this for the student perspective. Instead of jumping around between tools, they go through the content area now. And the idea is that you create sort of an outline or a chronological flow of what they need to do in order to complete the class. It just helps them orient themselves and makes your entire experience more efficient. So as far as accessing the tools, if you're looking for the quizzes or the assignments or discussions, you can still get them here in the course admin. So click course admin. And here you're going to get your quizzes, assignments, any other tool you need, discussions. So in this case, I'm going to work on quizzes. So if I click that, there's the quiz tool like always. Now this course only has one quiz. But at this point, you may have created your quizzes. If you need to create a new quiz or you want to create them all at the beginning of the semester, you do that here. Let's assume now you've created all the quizzes you want, and now that means the students can't actually see these quizzes because they don't have a way to link to them. So you add what they call a quick link into the content area. So just click content, head over there. So this faculty member has their course laid out by weeks, which we usually recommend. And so in this case, she has, PowerPoint presentations and videos related to different content areas within the week. You may have, so like here's a discussion topics. And in this case, what we're going to try to do, what we're doing is adding the quiz to the content area. So you can either come here and create a new quiz if you don't have one, or you can come here and click the existing activities and add a quiz. And we only have that one, which is a final. And you can even create a quiz from this screen. But I'm going to add that final, just click it, and it drops it here into the content. Just organize it real quick. And so if you have quizzes already created, you're going to have to come here to the content area and either organize it by week, which we recommend, or create a module called quizzes, and then go into that module and add all the quizzes. That way, the students can access them. But otherwise, it's pretty straightforward. There shouldn't really be any other curveballs. If you need help with that, just contact me or Scott, and we will help you out. Thanks. Bye.